My story was right. My story was right. It's not what you think, alright? Hi neighbors, what's up? It's a beautiful day and we have some news for you. What's the news, babe?
Vlogust is over. Womp womp womp.
Yeah, we've come to the end of Vlogust where we had, well, I tried to put out a video every day. I think we missed a couple of days.
Yeah, we missed a couple of days because we were just tired.
It was such a full month with independence for Jamaica, the birthday party for the girls. A lot went on and it felt just so full, and we thank you for sharing the month with us.
Yeah.
And
we had an explosion of new subscribers.
Man, welcome to the new subscribers. Welcome one and all from whichever parish, whichever country, whichever continent, whichever planet you're from. Welcome, nice to have you in the neighborhood as usual. Where are we going to go from here now? So Vlogust is over, so we're going to be going back to our regular schedule. If you're a new subscriber and you came on in August, you wouldn't know that we only do 3 videos a week normally. So we publish on Tuesdays, Thursdays
and Saturdays. Yeah.
So we'll be going back to the Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday routine starting September.
Yeah, we can't keep up this insane pace, guys.
Yeah, it's too much.
Yeah, I think we probably will go back to this daily vlogging thing, maybe at some point in the future. But for now, we're gonna take
Vlogtober. Who says October?
More like Vlogmas. October is right around the corner, honey.
Yeah.
But we're gonna take a few days off. As you guys can imagine, we have back to school to prepare for all these things. Although chances are that's good content for vlogging. But we need a little break. So we're going to take a few days off and we will be back on Thursday. So you won't see a vlog tomorrow on Tuesday, but you will see us on Thursday and you'll see us on Saturday. And then we start the week off again next week on Tuesday. Alright,
so for surprise now, we have this long overdue thing that we needed to attend to, and it's finally here on Sunday when Tina and Paul and the host will be having our
first live!
Alright, so we look excited but really nervous. We're not sure what to do. We're not sure how to act and what to wear and what to
do during a live. Yeah. How long should the live be? We're gonna have to do some research.
Are people even going to come?
Yeah. And what time's the best time? Yeah. We're definitely gonna do a live on Sunday. We're still working out the time, so we'll let you guys know.
Let us know. You let us know what's a good time for you.
Yeah, wherever you are in the world. For us here in Jamaica, the afternoon on Sunday would work best for us, between 12 p.m. and maybe 6 p.m. up to even 8 p.m. our time would work.
Right.
But we know we have a lot of viewers from the Caribbean, from the African continent, from the UK, who would be in a different time zone from us. So let us know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments what time works for you, regardless of where you're from, and we'll try to average out the best time and use it. We're going to have a nice time, I'm sure, and we'll feed off of each other's energy, right?
Yeah, we just want it to be a time where we're interacting live with you guys. We can bring the kids in, and we'll see how that goes, because they can be a little bit unpredictable. But we'll go with the flow,
right?
And you'll be along with us,
right? So we'll see how that goes on Sunday. So Sunday, September 5, live with me and my host.
So where are we gonna go? So Vlogust is finished, but we are going to be starting off with, I guess, another series. There's a lot to pick up on from the How We Met series. So you guys tell us also in the comments, what would you like us to focus on in our next series? We definitely want to hear from you.
What questions do you have?
What questions do you have? I think we should do that for the live. We should do a question and answer. No.
I don't want a hard question on the live, you know. Listen. Don't bother with it, you know. Please, don't bother with it. No hard question.
No. Save it for the comments, and even if you put it in the live, put it with respect to the series that you want us to do. Or
if you want to drop it in the comments today, so we can start planning around those kind of talks.
Right. We know that you guys appreciate the singing. Thank you so much for your sweet words, your kind comments. Well, no, just melt my heart and make me bawl sometimes, you see. We'll try to do more of those going forward. Thank you so much for your sweet, kind words. I so appreciate your comments.
Yeah, thank you guys, really.
Yeah,
really.
And I'm glad you appreciate the ministry. I keep telling them that I need to tell them the whole story about ministry, my ministry in particular.
So it was a big day. Yesterday, Saturday, was a big day when we surpassed 10,000 subscribers. And when we started August, we didn't even have a goal. We never had a goal in terms of a target for subscriber count or anything. But August finished and we have 10,000 subscribers. And we were nervous, anxious, excited all about it. And we're going to show you at the end of this video what actually went down, because
listen guys, I was so nervous, both me and Hannah. I mean, it was like nail biting.
I don't know why.
we were watching YouTube
what
studio.
Were you nervous about?
I don't know. I guess it was just a combination of excitement and I don't know. I'm not even sure, but I felt nervous just waiting for the moment to come when I would see the subscriber count change from 9,990. It was about we started watching it at about 9,990, and then we all run and sit down in front of the computer and was there just watching the numbers change when it reached about 9,999.
And it took a while to change.
No, don't tell him.
But you'll see the whole drama a couple minutes from now when we'll show you what actually went down.
Doubled our subscriber count and our views. Wow. Our views have been beyond our expectations, guys. We thank God.
And we celebrate you.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Continue to do so, so we can continue to grow the neighborhood and we can continue having a good vibe and a good time here.
Yeah.
Alright, so from the bottom of my heart, believe me, thank you.
The depths of my soul.
Anything else to say?
I just love them. I just love them.
Take it away.
Listen, you guys, sometimes I read the comments. The comments just give me life. They do. I just love hearing from you guys. I love it. So we're bringing this video to a close, guys, with our little 10,000 subscriber celebration. And so we want to just say at this point, thank you so much for supporting me and my host. We love you guys, and we will see you on Thursday. And September will be a month to remember. Big up, enough love, and blessings from me and my host.
Bye. Take care, guys. And you see right there, 9,999.
Hey Hannah, how you feeling?
Excited.
Hey Paul, how you feeling?
I mean, I want to thank my mom, my dad, thank God, and you know, it's just been a good experience for 8 months in, and we're...
Oh my gosh.
God has been good.
Neighbors, can you believe what is taking place right here, so?
How do you feel, Leila? Speechless, right? Edie, how do you feel?
Yep, really, I know it's nail biting.
The two first twins are awake, Edie and Leila, and the two second twins are sleeping. So that's Ava. This is Zahra sleeping. Alright, so we're going to refresh now to see. We're going to refresh now to see. Hold on, Hannah. Ready?
One.
Wait. I bet it's that 9999. One, two, three. I knew it. I knew it had to be at the same number. It was...
Sorry, Ava.
So we'll try again in a minute. That's anticlimactic.
Come, try it again.
This is the big moment, guys.
No.
I give it a minute. This is the only need to share with your family and friends, so we can go over the. Oh, it's not alive. So
no, it's not alive.
Yeah, but Eden, Ava, wake up now.
Sorry, we're frightening her.
Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning, now, Evie. Don't look at me like that. Give the neighborhood a smile.
Leila.
Nice.
Leila, you're wondering what all this excitement is about, right?
Leila must say now. Edie. Yes, Edie.
Leila, you're wondering why everybody's so excited, right? Why is everybody so happy?
Leila, look like she wants to.
Leila is sleepy. Oh, honey.
Are we going to try again?
Okay.
This is the moment, guys.
This is the moment of truth.
Alright, so.
Why? This. What is this like?
It's coming.
What is this like?
Alright, so let's try one more time. It's now 12:58. Try 12:58, and if it's not there, then 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock it is.
So somebody's going to hit the subscribe button. You know what would be funny? Is if it got to 9998.
Oh gosh.
Somebody's like, not my kind of family. So we're here in the studio waiting. This is the thing about live TV shows, you know. It's so unpredictable. And so, but we're going to be, and I hope it doesn't go to 10,001. I hope it lands on 10,000 for us to see the 10,000. You think that funny, Ava? You think that funny?
Oh gosh. Lily, you want to lie down, baby?
Hi, Edie.
Edie, you've been such a good girl. Look at her. She loves the camera right now. Look at her looking at it. Waiting.
It's coming. My prediction this morning was 2 o'clock. Tina's prediction was 10 o'clock, that we get to 10K by 10 o'clock. I knew that wasn't going to work. And my prediction was 2 o'clock. I think that was more reasonable. And there you go, it's now after 1. Right?
Leila, why are you tearing up the book?
It will come. The person is going back to them just reach home, them opening the car door. And they had a rough day. They're going to look for sanitize. Right, they're going to look for a song to cheer them up because you know they had a rough day. Not bad news they had, just like an overwhelming day, and they wanted to not listen to Kevin Dolan to carry me.
Yes.
And so they throw it in their bag and they're searching for carry me, and I said, I already know the original. I want to hear somebody else's rendition. I should probably listen to this lady and this guy.
Yeah.
She comes on, tears playing on her cheeks. And what does she do? She goes ahead and hits the subscribe button so that right now we are at, let's hear it everybody, 10K! My story was right.
Oh my gosh!
My story was right, guys.
Oh my gosh!
Disbelief in the eyes, either right? Yes, good choice. We're 10K, guys.
Oh my gosh, we're at 10K. Can you believe it? Can you believe it?
Thank God.
I would like to thank